Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for February 3, 2024, featuring how to spot planet Uranus. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 5:08 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before daybreak, the thick crescent moon is less than one-third of the way from the southern horizon to overhead. The lunar orb is in front of Libra, 6.4 degrees to the lower left of Zub and El Janubi, the scorpion's southern claw. Look for Chuba, the arachnid's forehead, 12.5 degrees to the moon's lower left. In 2 mornings from Indonesia and southeastern regions of Asia, the lunar orb occults or eclipses Rosie Antares. This morning at 45 minutes before sunrise, Venus is less than 10 degrees above the southeast horizon. It steps eastward in front of Sagittarius, near Nunki and Cos Borealis. Use a binocular to see the background stars. Mars continues to slowly emerge from bright sunlight. The planet is not easily visible until it is at least 5 degrees above the horizon at 45 minutes before sunrise. This morning it is less than 3 degrees up. On the 22nd, it is visible with Venus through a binocular. The red planet rises 62 minutes before the Sun. After its recent morning appearance, speedy Mercury moves toward a solar conjunction on the far side of the Sun, known as superior conjunction. When it moves between Earth and Sun, that solar conjunction is known as inferior conjunction. After the superior event, Mercury moves into the evening sky for its best appearance of the year. Like Mars, Mercury is immersed in bright sunlight, rising 20 minutes after the other inner planet. In the evening sky, 2 bright planets and 2 dim worlds are visible after sundown. Begin with Saturn. The ringed wonder is beginning to slip into brighter twilight, leading up to its solar conjunction at month's end. 1 hour after sundown, the planet is less than 10 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. It sets less than 50 minutes later. Neptune is to Saturn's upper left, in front of a dim Pisces starfield. On February 11th, the crescent moon appears in the same binocular field of view with the solar system's most distant world. For adventurous sky watchers wanting a challenge, use the directions in an earlier article and described in a podcast to find Neptune without the help of a bright celestial guide. This evening bright Jupiter is high in the south-southwest as darkness falls. The planet is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries. The Jovian giant is slowly approaching an imaginary line from the Ram's Hamel to Cetus Menkaure. Uranus is between Jupiter and the Pleiades star cluster. With a binocular, the planet is relatively easy to locate, even from the outdoor lighting in suburban locations. One way is to initially aim the binocular to explore the Pleiades star cluster, and take a side trip to the V-shape of Taurus with Topaz Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster. To locate Uranus, place the Pleiades toward the upper left of the field of view. The stars Tau and 63 in Aries appear toward the right edge of the binocular field. Then move the binocular to the lower right so that Tau and 63 are toward the upper left of the view. Zeta and Delta in Aries become visible. Then follow an imaginary jagged line from Delta to 54 then to 53 in Aries. Aquamarine Uranus is toward the 4 o'clock position in the field, but not at the edge. Notice that Delta and 54 are topaz in color, similar to Aldebaran's hue. Star 53 is blue-white. The accompanying star chart in the article is plotted for tonight, but it is worthwhile to use during the next several nights. Uranus does not move far from night to night. The thick crescent moon appears in the same binocular field with Uranus on the 15th. Tonight, Jupiter sets in the west-northwest after midnight and the beginning of a new calendar day. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.